Do you feel like because of the things Nicki Minaj had to deal with as she came up? So, I mean, not to say that it's warranted, but is there like empathy at all for how she be trying to, I guess, protect herself? It just comes off a lot of the wrong way.
I mean, you got to think. Nicki came from a place from New York City where New York didn't really believe in her at first.
Well, she had to go out of music,
she had to go out of town.
And you still not playing her music.
I do play Nicki music all the time.
I
play Nicki music all the time.
She went down to Atlanta,
She
right?
went down to Atlanta, got caught in Atlanta, and the world fell in love with her. And they always doubted her. They doubted the way she rapped. They doubted her flow. They doubted her numbers. They always doubted Nicki. So Nicki always feels like she has to punch even harder.